Hi from the Longreach Outdoors Centre. There's free camping in Longreach, Queensland, Australia. You turn left at Longreach Fishing Comp Yellow Belly Classic sign. Turn down this road into the Apex Park. The road. There's plenty of wheelie bins to put rubbish in. There's plenty of area to camp. You can put a small donation to the local council about this area if you're interested further. There's all this area to go camping in. Down at the local river. There's a spot you can walk across the bridge, you can go fishing down at the river, you can go swimming, kayaking, canoeing. There's a boat ramp here, you can put your boat in. It's a nice spot. So we at the Longreach Outdoors Centre, we're in town and we got fishing supplies, boating supplies, camping equipment. We've got caravanning equipment. We've got smoking pallets and cooking equipment. We've got, if you want to cook your meats, we've got smoking chunks, smoking pellets, smoking sawdust. We've got camping cooking equipment, barbecues, and we've got domestic barbecues, we've got fire pits. There's an overflow of the free camp there. We've got tents, we've got swags, we've got stretchers, we've got mosquito nets, we've got sleeping bags, we've got angle fridges, we've got cassette toilets and cassette parts, we've got hunting equipment, gun accessories, we've got a lot of stuff, and we've got more stuff coming. We got regular new stock in, we've got new shirts, we've got new smoking pallets, we've got an order coming for 4-wheel drive lights at the ride. We've got all sorts of good stuff to keep you camping, hunting, fishing, 4-wheel driving in the outback adventure. This is the outback and this is where adventure is. We'll see you next time on the Longreach Outdoors Centre Facebook page or YouTube channel. Our number is 04 77 55 3360. See you next time. This is a town, you turn left to go into town.